Okay, now let's try Canva AI to create the futuristic poster for Sarawak. Of course, first you need to go to Google Chrome and then you type in canva.com dulu and then you go here, kamu pergi atas, kamu tekan Canva AI. Now, kamu boleh type di sini create a futuristic poster for Sarawak, Malaysia. Tekan submit. Okay. You can choose from the available poster provided by Canva AI ataupun you can click more design ataupun buat penambahbaikan, example add a skyline image ataupun with neon colors ataupun pilih mana satu dulu, you can click more designs. Okay. You can choose any pictures. You can save it. Then you go to this pencil, you use Canva editor and then you go up here, share, download, and then you send it to me.